If you plant a Chinese bamboo tree, you have to water the empty dirt every single day for 5 years before a single green leaf breaks the surface. Absolutely nothing happens above ground, but in the 5th year, it violently shoots up 90 feet in just 6 weeks. When you day trade, you expect 90 feet of financial growth in your first 30 days. You refuse to build your psychological root system. Here is why your impatience is literally transferring your money into the bank accounts of the disciplined. Social media has poisoned your mindset, convincing you that if you aren't passing 100K evaluations and driving supercars in 30 days, you are failing. This completely unrealistic timeline forces you to take insane risks, over-leverage, and violently rush the process. You are trying to force natural, organic growth to happen in a microwave. Warren Buffett famously stated a profound truth about the financial markets. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Your impatience literally pays the salaries of the disciplined traders. If you want to build a massive 100-story skyscraper, you cannot build a foundation in 30 days. You spend the first 6 months doing the boring, unsexy, essential work of digging a deep, grueling hole in the dirt, driving steel pilings into the ground to build the support. Retail day traders are trying to build million-dollar funded accounts on a foundation made of wet sand and 30-day dopamine hits. They prioritize speed over structure, and the moment a tiny drawdown hits, the entire fragile timeline line collapses, destroying the account. Social media is trying to sell you the microwave trading career. You put your money in, press a button, and 60 seconds later, you are wealthy. But true, generational trading wealth is a slow smoker. It requires temperature control, patience, and unsexy mechanical execution. The slow way is the only way that works. Most people overestimate what they can achieve in a month and completely underestimate what they can achieve in 6 months of relentless, boring focus. You are rushing for the 1-month win, when the 6-month grind is where the financial freedom is actually built. Imagine trader A, who started with you in January. He wants the supercar by February. He max leverages his standard account, flips $500 to $5,000 in a single week. He feels like a financial genius. He immediately increases his lot size again, and then blows the entire account on a Friday. For the next 6 months, trader A repeats this exact cycle, rushing the process and constantly looking for that one massive home run. He ends the year completely broke, emotionally destroyed, and financially depressed, because he refused to build his roots. Now imagine trader B, who also starts in January. He accepts the harsh reality of the grind. He commits to a strict, binary, boring 6-month timeline challenge. He risks exactly 1%, executes only his mechanical edge flawlessly, and completely ignores his daily P&L. For 3 grueling months, trader B does nothing but break even, taking tiny statistical losses indifferently. He spends his time logging cold data and refining his psychology. But by month 6, his root system is unbreakable. He secures massive funding, scales up, and never looks back. The profound paradox of speed and day trading is this. The guy who tried to get rich in 30 days ended up wasting a whole year. The guy who accepted it would take 6 months to 1 year of boring discipline got rich the fastest. You have to completely reprogram your definition of progress. Progress in the first 6 months isn't measured in the dollar value of your account. It is measured in your emotional flat rate. It's measured in your robotic ability to take 3 technical losses in a row and maintain the exact same clinical state of motion, no mind, for your 4th execution. Social media is selling you the flashy facade, the end result, but you must commit to the root system. Backtesting and journaling every single micro event for 6 consecutive months is the single unsexy task that retail traders are desperate to skip. Skipping that step is exactly why they stay trapped in the cycle. Stop chasing the microwave results. Surrender your financial anxiety and accept the unsexy timeline. The 6-month grind is where your psychological root system is built, and it is the necessary prerequisite for generational trading wealth. If you don't build it slowly, you will lose it quickly. This requires you to execute like a robotic clinician. If the pattern appears on your chart setup, you execute your mathematical edge like a machine. If the technical stop-loss line is hit, you take the 1% logical loss with 0 frustration. Let the probabilities play out over a large sample size of 100 transactions. The 6-month grind is unsexy, it is grueling, and it is exceptionally boring. But true professional trading is the intense monotony of executing a mechanical system hundreds of times without variation. Accept the unsexy process, and the results you have been chasing will mathematically, naturally follow you. Kill the microwave mindset. Accept the root system grind. Start logging the data into your journal today. Stop focusing on the speedometer and focus entire on walking forward flawlessly executes your mechanical edge with absolute robotic discipline, regardless of previous trade outcome. If you want to master your trading psychology, break the cycle of self-sabotage, and build absolute discipline, hit the subscribe button right now. If you have a specific psychological question or a mental block you are struggling with, leave it in the comments below, and I will make a dedicated video about it. I will see you in the next one.